Hello, Gazala. I hope you can hear me right.
Yeah, I can hear you, both of you.
Okay, great. Okay, great. Yeah.
Hello, Dr. Gaza.
So, yeah.
Yeah, hello, hi, good evening.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
On going through this uh, about module content, even I have also come up with certain changes that
Okay,
I want. So basically, I run.
Okay. Okay. 1 second, Sriram. So let
Yeah, yeah,
me just give the objective of the meeting. Okay. So as I explained over the call, we have given. Uh, we already provided the code, but you know the code was provided considering the three modules as a 3 hour sessions, like 1 hour 30-minute session per each module. But after we discussed with the expert Gazala, she told that each module will take more than one sessions. So today and this meeting, she is going to explain what are the modules and what are the uh, sub-sessions for each modules and what all the topics will be covered, and based on her explanation you can pick some specific topics, then we'll give a specific code. Okay, so now yeah, you can go ahead and you both can discuss each other, and then we can finalize.
okay. So, by the way, Dr. Ghazala, it is like not spoon feeding in circular RNA because I have because our lab works on that, but even I'm now also involved heavily in computational circular RNA analysis. So, I will, I think in some cases I will not need extreme spoon feeding, but in some cases I need some help, not like a spoon feeding at all.
okay.
So first thing is like Siri 2, I have ran it many times, but
Mhm.
I have not ran Siri Quant, Circ Explorer, and Siri Long. And in Siri 2, I just need the theory of that.
Okay. Hmm.
Only the theory I need.
Okay.
And in the other three, I have not ran. I have just visited its GitHub page. But just for these three, Siri Quant, Circ Explorer, and Siri Long, a small theory, and a small sample hands-on. Like you can tell me how to do it, and I will do it, and then I will show to you like that.
Okay. Yeah.
Mhm. And in the second part,
Yes.
Yeah, theory plus hands-on, and it's a slight okay.
Okay. So may I like give you brief on the modules?
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So actually the modules were prepared, like I was thinking that you will be taking any of the module, okay, module 1 to 3. And if you want like maybe because the module 1 is for tool specific, okay. So
Yeah,
if I am going to, because the data I will be having, like I will pre-process the data because sometimes we are downloading the data. The tool is not taking the data in that format. So I need to first make the data in the format the tool is accepting. So in
yeah,
the first module, what I will do, because you already know these type of things, like we need to convert the format and all, fix the data
yeah,
first.
yeah,
Yeah. So for the first module, we need to like I will be explaining you the tool, like what is the basic, the tool theory also and hands-on. So hands-on, since you are saying that you have already done for Siri 2. So I will explain the theory also, but we will see just for the sake of doing it. We will do the
yeah,
hands-on because we are doing for other tool also. So this will be tool
mm,
specific, like data, pre-processed data I will be taking with me, and I will be showing you this, okay, this is happening. And then you can also do the same thing like afterwards, and then if you have any query, then we can discuss that further in the sessions.
yeah.
Okay. And then next module was designed for like if
Uh,
someone wants to analyze, okay,
Kazala, yeah.
yes.
So let's finish with the module one. So I understood the theory and hands-on like it's reduced. So still it's going to take 2 to 3 session, or they need only 2 sessions.
If they
Sir,
okay.
so like if a person is very basic or he doesn't even know circular RNA, then I think it will take more than three. I uh, but what I feel is in 1 hour maximum 1.5 sessions, this first module can be covered because having previous knowledge, having some experience in circular RNA, so I think so. In 1.5 class, that can be this can be achieved. Module one, I feel, but I'm not sure.
Okay, so okay, let me just brief like this one. I was making it in the two session only, but for the Siri long, since it is a sample dependent, we need the long sequencing data from the
Hmm.
nanopore. Okay,
Hmm.
Oxford nanopore. If it is available, then it may take three sessions for the Siri long to explain that additionally.
Hmm.
But if like if I just have to explain like just detail or brief the theory of it, then maybe we can wrap up in two sessions. But for hands on Siri long and only in that case, if the data is available, I'm able to find out if you are already
I can
having the
download
data,
it, madam.
then we can take.
Sriram data from NCBI SRA. I can download it using FasterQ dump, and then we will further subject that FastQ file for analysis by Sriram, madam.
Okay, okay, then that's fine. So we will try to wrap up in two sessions, but if it is like going beyond that, then I just added one more session additionally, so that if there is anything left, because I don't want to keep anything incomplete. If I am explaining anything, if there is
Okay.
any kind of data format or any kind of discussion is needed, so just in case if we need, so that was going for third session.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, let me just give you the brief on the second module and the third module. So second module was designed for the like if you want like whole pipeline to like to see like how it is performing with the Siri 2 results. So we
Hmm.
can go for further, like as I have already like brief it in one lines, like what we can do, what are the different possibility with this type of data. So if you want, if you are interested, then only we can. That's why I designed it that way, because sometimes people want to see the complete picture, right? So that's why I
Yes.
have made it in module 2. And again, module 3 is for circular RNA compare to, that is the tool. Okay, so this tool is a comparative analysis tool, where the compare is the word already mentioned in the tool, because there are multiple tools for like circular RNA identification. So for each tool, we need to explain each tool separately first, that how they are exactly working. And this will follow the whole pipeline. So this is again one complete pipeline for the circular RNA analysis study, where the results will be obtained from each tools independently, and then they will be integrated to
Yes.
identify the one independent one result, final result. So this is again the whole complete pipeline. So that's why it may take like more sessions, because every tool
Yes.
is there, and only these tools are not there. There are a few more tools that these
Many are there, madam, but these are the most famous ones,
yeah,
most
right.
accepted ones.
Yes, right. Even I was exploring the paper, so there was other tools also mentioned. I have just added few, but when we are doing this, using this tool, say compare to, then we will use all the tools whichever are mentioned in the pipeline for the compare to. Okay, so that is for the module 3. And if you are like very, I know like you are also already saying that you are computationally quite sound with the like these type of analysis, and you have some experience, so maybe you will be
Yeah.
able to cover these things fast. So if you can also try to evaluate yourself, like you don't need much like sessions on that, but I have added some like what approximate dates, so you can just see like what is your opinion, what you can want to modify, then accordingly we can see.
Hmm. So now coming to this changes that I need in module two, could you please zoom it the module two? Okay. So I don't need a circular RNA coding potential.
Okay.
and and I even don't need a circular RNA sequence retrieval because in our lab only one of my senior prepared a script like where you can convert the linear FASTA sequence into backsplice the intact backsplice sequence.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So see, circular RNA identification by Siri2 that I
Mm-hmm.
have done.
Okay.
First, you get the out file, the out file. From that only, you try to
Mm-hmm.
evaluate the results.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So then, for differentially expressed circular RNA, I think this is similar to the differential gene expression.
Yes, like if we are having two samples or more, we
Yeah,
can like compare it. And even if not, then based on the statistical significance cutoff or threshold value, we can see that what are expressing significantly. So maybe we can
that I'm
use them.
familiar with. DSeq2 or EdgeR can be done, and even I'm familiar with pathway enrichment
Yeah.
analysis, which can be done with various web servers.
Yes.
So I think that I don't need that.
Okay. So that's why like if that's why I was like estimating already that you will not be taking module 2 because that is for like beginners like basic who want to see the whole pipeline.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
So
so here the differential express circRNA,
this
do
also
you
I
need
don't
it?
need.
Okay,
Yeah, so maybe we have to skip the module 2 because that is will not be like because we are like you already are aware of these things and you
This
have
can
done
be done.
this.
RNA,
Yeah.
RBP binding site prediction. That can be done.
okay. So
Okay.
so we are going to skip M2 then.
Uh,
All right.
this I need the RNA RBP binding site prediction. This can be added.
Okay,
Okay.
so I'm
This
leaving the last two.
last one I think I don't need the last one.
Okay, okay.
And I have one more thing to say that which can be added.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
So, instead of that, can you add a tool called Dr. Ghazala Circrip, if you might have heard?
Sir, Krip.
Circrip, RIP.
RIP. Okay. Yeah, yeah, I have heard it. Okay, okay, we will add that.
Very confusing.
So we will identify the circular RNA with this tool. Okay.
Yeah. And
Yes.
apart from that, how can you visualize circular? Okay. So, okay.
Identify the RNA with site. Is that correct?
Identify circular RNA with Circrip.
Sorry.
I have written identify the RNA. It's identify the circ RNA.
Okay, okay.
And one more addition, Dr. Ghazala.
Yeah.
So now we have GUI based visualizers like JBrowse, IGV, then the
Yeah.
UCSC genome browser. So how can that be used in order to visualize circular RNA? Because if it is normal linear
Mhm.
RNA, that can be mapped easily to reference. But
Yes.
problem with short reads, like how where exactly they match, so that is very hard by prediction with the existing tools considering the read length. So how
Mhm.
this short reads or any reads can be visualized in a GUI based format for circular RNA identification that can be added.
Okay. So visualization of circular RNAs, right?
Are you using any specific tool like?
Like JBrowse.
No, we will explore like we will use different tools because sometimes we have because tools work on different file formats. So
Uh,
we'll see like which one we are going to use during the session.
uh.
Okay,
So you have added various tools like let's try with the three things like JBrowse, IGV,
Okay.
okay. You want it
and
specific.
UCSC genome browser.
Okay, sure. So three
Okay.
tools we need to use. Yeah, okay.
So, you must be knowing, Dr. Ghazala, that identifying circular RNA is tricky just because of the read lengths, especially if you want to find a circular RNA from RIP-seq data or eClip data.
Yeah.
Cause,
Yes.
so that can be like covered in this visualization part.
Yes. Okay. Yeah,
And
but
in the
circular RNAs are small in length, so yeah, we need to check that.
pardon?
No, no, I understand like what you are saying that why it is like challenging to visualize circular RNAs due to their short lengths. So we'll
It can
explore
be, but it
that.
will not give the mature sequence actually.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, so may I know how many session do you need this for this Ghazala?
Maybe so is it 1 hour or 1.5 hour sessions?
So the minimum you can keep 1 hour, and the maximum you can keep 1 hour 30 minutes.
Okay. So if we take it 1 hour session, because sometimes 1 hour session we are
Mm.
doing things, so maybe it exceeds to 1.5. So if we are taking 1 hour session only, so maybe it will take three
Mhm.
sessions because visualization with all
Use
the tools. Yes.
Okay.
I don't think it will be maximum 1 hour 30 minutes. I think
It's a
that can
backup.
be 1 hour maximum. I think.
Okay. Uh,
Yeah, okay.
okay.
So 30 minutes I am just adding because sometimes when we go with
Maybe
the story, it
okay.
take more
This will be
time.
like a complement time maybe. Okay,
Oh,
and maybe like 30 minutes. It's only if needed. Okay.
okay.
Yes.
So still it's 3 sessions and maximum 1 hour per session. Okay.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
yeah, for so maybe you can take for model 1 and model 2 as of now, and maybe after that you can see like if model 3 you want to still explore more tools, then you can take, or if you want to take it like discuss it now, so that also we can do.
I want to explore module 3 also, madam.
Okay.
Okay.
So in
Yeah.
module 3, so you can omit Siri 2.
Yes. Okay. So because Compare 2 has this tool and the results will be integrated. So are we
Yeah.
skipping few tools from the pipeline?
Pardon, I didn't get you.
Like this Compare 2 is the whole pipeline they have made it so that multiple tools will be identifying the circular RNAs and then integrate it. So are we skipping few tools from the pipeline itself? Because then it will not be complete Compare 2. Okay, but that is totally fine because you already know that what answer you are going to get from CD2 and the other
Yeah,
tools.
yeah, madam. So a short theory and a short hands-on. Like I will try it, but you just guide me how to do it because it's very confusing for me, sir. Comparative, and this
Okay.
tool is short, madam. Because from my stage of exploring it, a
Mhm.
little guidance is needed, I think, but and not that heavy.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, but okay, okay. Maybe like I will not have to explain that much. But okay, but theory, if you are trying to understand any tool, theory I need to complete anyway, right? So,
Yeah.
and it will be easy for you to understand, and we can move to one topic to other very fast. That is
Yeah, yeah,
different thing, but I have to explain. So
yeah,
we
yeah,
need some time, right, for the
yeah, yeah,
tools. Yeah,
yeah,
and again for analysis also, maybe it is easy for you to like get
yes.
the right answer, understand the results which are coming from the tool, but exactly executing that tool and getting the result will take some time, right? So that
Okay.
for those things we need some time in this one, because we have different tools. And if still you can explore, like I may share you one link for the tool. You might already know this one, like this paper, no, no, not tool, this paper, sensitive, reliable and robust circular RNA detection from RNA-seq with circumparator. Okay, so
I
this
have heard it,
paper,
but I have not explored.
yeah, so let me just tell you that this link I am sharing you, you can just go through it and see like what are the other tools given in that. So that if you want to add other tool also, because I have added only 5 here from that pipeline for from circumparator. So if you want to add any other tool, that also can be added. You may see, because later if you are going to tell that in this whole pipeline was including other tool also, but you skip that, so that should not be on me, right? So please explore that and let me know if you want to add anything in module 3. So you can explore it, maybe later we can discuss, because right now we are going to like right away we will be starting module 1, module 2 first, then we will go to module 3, right? So still we have some time, so you can explore it in a few days, and then we can conclude on module 3 in like maybe today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, because going through the paper will take some time. It is like long lengthy paper. Hello, are you following me? I have
Hello,
dropped the
Shreya.
Hello.
record. Yeah.
So I am fine with module 1 and module 2. This is needed. Module 3, I will once read through this paper and let you know, madam.
Okay, sure, sure. So is that
Okay.
fine, Dr. Mahesh? Like, if we
Yeah, yeah.
conclude on
So
module 3 later?
yeah, so may I know how many session will it take in case if we take it? I just need to have a
Mm,
some.
that I am not sure, because if we are, that will again depend on how many tools we are going to explore, because apart from tools we have some steps after the even exploring this circular RNA. We have other steps also, like identification of binding site and other things. So maybe it will at least take 6 to 7 sessions as of I can see now. Like this is just a guess. So maybe Sriram will tell like how he is looking forward, and if and other tools he need to add. As of now, I can see like at least 6 sessions we need for this number of tools and the analysis step, because the comparator is not just tool. Okay, module 1 is just tool. We can just identify the circular RNAs, but this is whole pipeline. We need to start with the raw data, then explore it further with following the pipeline.
For which
And
you are
if
telling,
sorry,
for which you are telling it's a big pipeline?
this cell comparator,
Okay.
because you can just go through the paper which I link I have shared. So
Hmm.
it is complete pipeline. Starting from the raw data will identify the circular RNAs, then binding site predictions, and whatever integration they are doing with the pipelines. This is basically a pipeline integration of all the tools, and then
Hmm.
whole pipeline. So you can see the workflow there itself in the paper. So that's
Okay.
why I shared with you.
Okay.
Okay, so just go through it, like it will be easier for you, so that you can take some time to like go through paper, understand it, and see which
Yes.
tools you want to explore. Yeah,
Okay.
then it will be easy.
Yeah. Okay, madam.
Okay, that's great.
Okay, so we
Yeah.
are proceeding with module 1 and module 2. and additionally we have two more sessions. Okay, and the module 3 will be decided after module 2 is finished. So all okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So I will send in this new program schedule with the payment link and other stuff. And when do you like to start the session?
Any tomorrow also. I'm fine.
But Gazala need time, I guess.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Gazala, yeah. When do you like?
Yeah. Actually, maybe from next week we can start,
Yeah,
because I
I
will
guess
need to
next week.
integrate some content in a proper way, so that it will not
Yeah,
disturb the
yeah.
session or elongate the sessions. So
Sure,
yeah,
sure.
next week will be fine. Okay, let me
Okay.
just
After the
give me
meeting,
like
yeah, after the
give me
meeting,
today.
I will
I'll
confirm.
think about the dates and see the dates other in program I am following.
Sure,
Then
sure.
accordingly, I will
Okay.
finalize.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you so much.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay,
Dr.
thank you. Bye.
Ghazala, are you faculty somewhere?
Not as of now. Like I'm just looking for the postdoc opportunity
Uh,
and just mentoring the students.
you're from where? I mean, you're from India, no?
Yes, I'm from India, Aligarh Muslim University. I've completed my
Oh,
PhD recently.
oh, okay,
Yes.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank-
Okay.
Yes.
Have a
So,
good day.
Gazala, you can stay in the
Yes.
meeting.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.